Welcome, today I've heard of new Motorola Edge 30 Ultra and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. Now we should get this first application, that's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, be close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now we can see here that the health of our device battery is good, and we can find here also more information like the battery level, health, just capacity, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.